Eurovigil video door phone. In today's world, video door phones are an essential part of any security solution. They are the first step in protecting us, our family and our property from intruders and robbers. These systems are more suited for houses with small kids or elderly parents who are most vulnerable to attacks, and then they can see the same on the monitors. When installed at the entrance of offices and factories, they give that extra protection which goes a long way in creating the perfect security solution. Whenever you have a visitor at the door, they can ring the bell by pressing the chime button. The camera detects the image of a person at the door and displays it on the indoor monitor. Once you see who's at the door, you can speak to them through the handset or onto the hands-free mic on the indoor unit and open the door by pressing the lock release button or open the door manually. The infrared LEDs on the smart system also help you identify the visitor outside at night or in low light situations. The clarity of the picture can be adjusted through brightness and contrast control available in the monitor. You can also install multiple such indoor monitors within the house. To see who's at the door, all you have to do is press the monitor button to get a visual of the person at the door. One can use this multiple indoor unit as an audio intercom device. The visitor too can communicate with the person inside by talking through the microphone or the outside unit. Get the video door phone from Eurovigil Electronic Security Solutions from Eureka Forbes today and keep your loved ones safe and secure.